Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in the Zee5 app, open it and make sure you're signed and so settings saved to your account. Once the app is open, tap your profile icon, bottom right or top right depending on your version, and look for settings in the menu. This is the control hub where notification preferences live, so navigate there now. Doing this first avoids resetting preferences later and ensures changes apply across devices linked to your account. Once in notifications, you see categories such as new releases, offers, and watch reminders. You should turn each off or on based on what you want. You can toggle specific categories to fine-tune interruptions or use the global push notifications switch to cut everything at once. Make sure to scroll, sometimes options hide below the fold, and confirm each toggle changes state. This ensures you only block what you don't need, while keeping essential alerts active. Finish by backing out of settings and letting the app sync your choices. Changes may take a few seconds or require a restart. If you still receive notifications, check your phone's system-level notification permissions for Zee5 and turn those off too, because app toggles sometimes rely on OS grants. If toggles won't stick, clear the app cache or reinstall Zee5 to reset corrupted data. That usually fixes persistent issues and ensures your notification preferences are respected going forward.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.